Welcome back to G&K Outdoors.
Today we're going to be spearfishing for some carp and maybe some gar in Gabe's pond. We noticed a couple days ago when we were fishing that they were surfacing a lot and mating a little bit. So we'll find some up in the weeds where it's has a little bit more water. So yeah, that's the plan.
Me and Kanaan think that we see some movement up here. We'll see if he can get one without tipping out of his kayak. You see any more movement up there?
No, but I seen two big carp and I see they're like the orange on their mouth.
Oh yeah. I think we'll have a lot better luck when it starts getting a little darker out. Should have some really good luck then. Cow, isn't that beautiful? Alright, well, we might keep moving to see if we see anything more. There's a ton of ripples up there. Oh, that was a big fish. There's one right in front of Gabe.
Dude, I hit him so hard. Got a spear kick back at me. Good night.
Keep rolling, I guess.
What is this? What is that Kanaan?
Looks like a squeaker from a dog toy.
Kanaan just spotted some schools. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but he's gonna nail them. I know he will. He can stand up in his kayak. He'll get right above them, and he'll just hurl it right. You just want to aim right in the middle of where you see them all. Oh my gosh, there's so many. There's so many. Oh, we got one. Oh, we got one. Oh my gosh, smoked him. Absolutely. You hit him. You hit him. He smoked him. I don't know if you guys seen it in the camera or not. I'm so happy. I'm shaking right now. This is so freaking fun. You seen that though? When he threw a spear, there's like 3 other schools around him. We have such a bad carp problem in this pond since of all the floods pushing them in here. Well, this is one way we take care of them. And it's a blast doing it. It's so much fun. We'll go see if we can catch some more quick.
A little bit of movement over there that we've seen. A whole bunch of bubbles right there. I don't know.
There's some up here.
Yeah. You might have to get off if you see one ahead to get a better shot.
I could get a better shot if I wasn't fumbling around making so much noise.
Yeah.
I think I might just use half of this one. Just paddle back and forth.
Yeah.
He thinks it's the one that he hit already and he's injured. Kind of flopping around. I think we're gonna keep moving here.
We have to move up a little bit.
We've seen a little bit more movement just a little further down from where we were at. You see him up there moving, or is it nothing?
It was a rock.
Oh, rookie mistake.
That's a nice big school of them. Just gonna see if he can get over there. He's looking at that right there. Slowly creep up on him. You got one.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Kanaan!
Oh, that's a big old sucker.
So I just absolutely nailed this big freaking carp. I mean, the thing's massive.
It's freaking hard to get.
It's like gonna break the dowel if you lift it up wrong. It's insane.
And they're surfacing all around us too, so we're gonna get this guy on shore and finish him off and then keep going.
And we might come back later just to see how many we've got and take pictures and stuff. But that is just insane. Absolutely smoked them. Good night. Oh, get him, get him. Hey. Well, he's finished. We'll finish dispatching them and then we'll go get some more. Heck yeah.
We just seen a gar. But what?
If we ever walk along shore, that's when we'll really get gar.
Carp are more fun.
There's a school straight ahead of us.
Okay. We just seen another big one. He's right there. There's another one right up there. You can see his back. Gabe, you go up there.
So we're gonna give Kanaan another shot at getting one. He definitely hit the last one he was going for, but got off. I'll just sit right here and let him get it. It's a little difficult trying to do it in kayaks, and we used to always walk along the shore, but it's been so buggy and weedy lately, it kind of makes it a little hard. Let him go up there and smoke it. Hopefully he gets one. You see any more up there? Shoot, they're behind us too. Kanaan, they're behind us yet too. You want to try and go back and hit those spots we were having luck with? Alright, let's move up to it. Get your spear ready. Just coast in at them. Right in front of you. They're surfacing. Do you not see the bubbles? I wouldn't even stand up. Okay.
Thank you for tuning in to G&K Outdoors. If you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.